Perfumiya.
Swiss Army Classic Cologne by Swiss Army is a woody, aromatic fragrance for men which was launched by the famous design house of Swiss Army in 1996. Swiss Army is classified as a spicy, refreshing fragrance. This amazing masculine scent possesses blends of yuzu, mint, bergamot, and ginger. Middle notes are rosemary, lavender, violet leaf, edelweiss, and geranium. Base notes are cypress, musk, balsam fir, cedar, and amber. Recommended for office wear, spray Swiss Army Cologne by Swiss Army and watch heads turn as you walk down the aisles. Magnetize your surroundings by shopping your favorite authentic men and women fragrances at Perfumiya. We have the greatest top-selling fragrances at unbeatable prices. Also, shop our Perfumiya wholesale department for the best deals. All our products are authentic name brand. Smell your best for less.
Perfumiya, where you find the largest selection of men's cologne, women's perfume, and kids' fragrances. Perfumiya is a retail and wholesale perfume distributor. Visit us at www.perfumiya.com. Our customer service team is waiting to help you. We will not be beaten on price.